part, you have the implant on the brain. So trigeminal.
And then they happen on right and left. So this would be the left. Right. And if it's facing you, that
Someone drop a brain or something?
Oh, on the tray. Oh. Really?
It's not that serious.
that should be the two big things.
Okay, so what's on here that I need to...
You need to know the pituitary gland is this dense thing right here. And you have to cut it off no matter what. There's no way to do this. But it sits right under the optic chiasm. So I'll go through it anyway. But olfactory bulb, olfactory tract is this path right here. See how like it looks like a little pathway, like the other brain. The rest of the brain looks completely random, but there's a tract here and a tract here. So olfactory bulb, olfactory tract.
Did I picture this?
Olfactory bulb. So the olfactory tract is
Then you have optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract. Right? So I'm gonna go like, I'll go something new and then I will repeat it. You know what I mean? So like now I'll go olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract. Then you need to know these nerves here. This thing, ocular motor. Right? Olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract, ocular motor nerve. On the side, these ramen noodles are the trochlear nerves. So one here. I think I cut the one over here by accident.
That goes in the center.
Yeah.
So that's the
Actually, I think it's right here. It doesn't matter. If it's on the side, this is trochlear. So olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract, ocular motor nerve, trochlear nerve, and then these two here are abducens. This is abducens. This is abducens. So again,
What are those kind of black spots right there?
the black spots, these are just blood vessels.
Oh, okay.
So when the blood vessel coagulates, the blood coagulates, it just turns black. So that's what
You had
see.
mentioned something called a
All those
trepanner, but I didn't see what you were talking about earlier.
What?
It was a trepanner or
Trochlear.
trochlear? Can you move your fingers?
It's right here.
Right there. Okay.
Trochlear.
Thanks.
Olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract, ocular motor nerve, abducens nerve here, and trochlear nerve on the side. And then you need to know trigeminal. The reason why it's called trigeminal is as it has 3 branches, and it's the thickest nerve on the body. Well, not the thickest, I shouldn't say that. But it's this here, underneath the pituitary gland. I think it went like that. Yeah. But you would need to identify it on here. So it's kind of where I cut it off, right here. And then right here, it was cut off. So again, olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract, ocular motor nerve, trochlear nerve, abducens, right here, and then trigeminal here, and where I cut it off right here. And then you have longitudinal fissure, transverse fissure, and then the same longitudinal fissure on the ventral side is the ventral median fissure. So this line down here is the ventral median fissure. Then you have cerebral cortex or cerebral hemisphere or cerebrum. All the terms are the same. And then you have the cerebellum here. The spinal cord is what leaves the skull. So after it leaves the skull, it's called the spinal cord. So that's here. When you peel this back or pull this back, you see these 4 bumps. Here, 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 here. The 2 on top are the superior caliculi. The 2 on the bottom are the inferior caliculi. The 4 together are called the corpora quadrigemina, the body of 4 in Latin. From this, you should also see, it's really hard on this one, is the pineal gland or the pineal body. Those are both the same term for the same thing, but it's right above the superior caliculi. That's it for the outside, and now you have to cut. Oh, you were observing? That's fine. And then I'll get the brain knife, 1 second.
You recording too? Is he doing the whole thing or he's just...